In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger AI Builder, a tool that can help you effortlessly create stunning websites tailored to your needs. Let's dive right into the process, starting from the moment you log into Hostinger's platform. When you first access the Hostinger AI Builder, you'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. As you begin, you'll be presented with input prompts for content and design. This is your opportunity to set the foundation for your website. Think about your target audience and the message you wish to convey. Whether it's a personal blog, an online store, or a portfolio website, defining the purpose of your site at this stage is crucial. Moving on, the next step involves the exciting part, customization. Here, Hostinger AI Builder gives you the freedom to tailor each aspect of your website to your liking. You'll have a plethora of design templates and styles to choose from. Consider what reflects your brand's identity. From color schemes to font styles, Hostinger's wide selection ensures that there's something for every taste and preference. Additionally, pay attention to the user experience. Is your website easy to navigate? Are important elements like contact information or product pages easily accessible? These considerations enhance the user journey and encourage visitors to stay longer on your site. While you're customizing, keep an eye on the length of your content. Brevity is key to holding the viewer's attention while ensuring they get the necessary information. Hostinger's AI Builder allows you to preview changes in real time, an incredibly useful feature that lets you see exactly how your website will look before going live. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts until you find the one that's just right. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, you'll be ready for the final stage, publishing. Before hitting that publish button, it's wise to do a quick review of everything. Check for any typos or inconsistencies in your content. Make sure that all links are working correctly and that images are loading as they should. Remember, the first impression visitors have of your site will likely determine whether they stay and explore or leave after just a few seconds. Finally, with everything polished and ready to go, you're set to publish your brand new website. Hostinger makes it seamless, so your site will be live in no time. Congratulations! You've just created a professional website using the Hostinger AI Builder, harnessing its power and capabilities to bring your vision to the digital world. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it insightful and feel ready to use Hostinger AI Builder to create amazing websites. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.